The perfect protein fat loss diet. Stop. Before you waste another dollar on fat loss supplements, you need to hear this. The solution isn't in a pill, it's already sitting in your kitchen. What if I told you there's one macronutrient that literally forces your body to burn more calories just by eating it? A nutrient so powerful that it can increase your metabolism by up to 30% while keeping you full for hours? That nutrient is protein, and today you're going to learn exactly how to use it to transform your body faster than you ever thought possible. Section 1. Why protein is your secret weapon. Here's what most people don't understand. When you eat protein, your body has to work incredibly hard to break it down. This process is called the thermic effect of food, and protein has the highest thermic effect of all macronutrients. For every 100 calories of protein you consume, your body burns 25 to 30 calories just digesting it. Compare that to carbs at 5 to 10 calories and fats at just 0 to 3 calories. You're literally burning calories by eating. But it gets better. Protein triggers the release of hormones that tell your brain you're full and satisfied. Studies show that people who increase their protein intake naturally eat up to 400 fewer calories per day without even trying. That's the equivalent of skipping an entire meal, automatically. Section 2. How much protein do you actually need? The standard recommendation of 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight? That's designed to prevent deficiency, not optimize fat loss. If you're serious about losing fat, aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. For a 70 kilogram person, that's roughly 112 to 154 grams of protein daily. Divide this across 3 to 4 meals to maximize muscle protein synthesis and keep your metabolism elevated throughout the day. Section 3. The best protein sources. Let's talk about what to actually eat. Focus on lean sources: chicken breast, turkey, white fish, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, eggs, and lean cuts of beef. Plant-based? Load up on lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, and quinoa. Each of these foods provides high-quality protein without excessive calories or fat. One pro tip: start your day with at least 30 grams of protein within an hour of waking up. This sets your metabolism on fire and controls hunger hormones for the entire day. Section 4. The protein timing strategy. Timing matters more than you think. Distribute your protein evenly throughout the day rather than loading it all at dinner. Each meal should contain 25 to 40 grams of protein. This keeps your muscle-building machinery active and your metabolism running high around the clock. And here's a game changer: have a protein-rich snack before bed. Slow-digesting proteins like casein from cottage cheese or Greek yogurt feed your muscles overnight and prevent muscle breakdown while you sleep. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1. Thinking all protein is equal. A protein shake isn't the same as a whole food source. Whole foods provide additional nutrients, fiber, and a higher thermic effect. Use supplements to fill gaps, not replace real food. Mistake number 2. Neglecting vegetables. Protein alone won't cut it. Pair every protein source with fiber-rich vegetables to improve digestion, increase satiety, and provide essential micronutrients your body needs to function optimally. Mistake number 3. Not drinking enough water. High protein intake increases your body's water requirements. Aim for at least 3 liters daily to support kidney function and optimal metabolism. The perfect protein fat loss diet isn't complicated. Eat 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. Spread across multiple meals, prioritize whole food sources, and stay hydrated. Do this consistently, and you'll watch the fat melt off while preserving every ounce of hard-earned muscle. Your body is a machine, and protein is the premium fuel it needs to run at maximum efficiency. Stop making excuses and start making changes. The transformation you want is closer than you think.